Welcome back, my co-saver the spenders. Here's my second and final unboxing, and I hope you will enjoy it. While I was doing the unboxing earlier, a few hours ago, I didn't like that there's a smell of perfume in the bag, and so I decided to go back to the mall, to the store, and take a new piece because I find that that piece that I have is the one being shown to customers. So although it's still brand new, of course that is a brand new, but I'm not really at peace when I have that. So of course, considering the price, so I have decided to go back and then change it, and luckily they accepted it, and I'm happy that the customer service associate or the sales associate agreed to replace the bag. So here we go, let's go back. Okay. Alright, so this is it, and okay, I think it's like this. So chitan, and as you can see, even the bag is very new. Actually, they just received this in the morning, they said, and I think he is correct because if you open it, so it's a new one, smells new. Here you go, this is the new piece. And what else I would say, so look at this, it's very new, no one's touched it yet, because except of course me and the SA, because it still has its plastic, and of course of course since this is a new piece for me, so I won't be taking it off so as not to scratch the hardware. All right, let's check it. Okay. And here you go. So earlier, if you have noticed, it's not, the strap is not in a plastic, but this one, it's still in the plastic, which it's great because it means that I'm the only one who has touched it. Okay, so this is an adjustable strap, and there you go. So how many holes? They said there is 7 holes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then it also have this bag, but then it's already, I don't know why it's so, it's like it bursted already. So okay, so now this is really smells new leather, no perfume at all, because earlier this part here, the handle, you can smell the perfume. So I know, so for me that's one of the turn off for me. So because it's of course being touched by so many customers who wanted to see the piece, so now this one, since it's a newly delivered in the morning in the store, so it's still new and brand new. I love it. So you can really smell the leather. So yes, there you go. And is it worth it? Now I don't know yet. Let's see after a couple of months or years if it will really hold its value. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you again on my next vlog to let's see how this bag will last for a lifetime. Is it? Okay, bye bye.